Hello my dear children, welcome to today's maths class. Let's begin with the first topic, comparing of numbers. For comparing of numbers, we have two steps. First step is comparing the number of digits of a number. For example, let's start with a small number 99 and 120. You can easily find the largest number here. You know that 120 is the largest number which when compared to 99. Okay, so how you found out that? We can see that in 120 there are 3 digits and in 99 there are 2 digits. Okay, 99 is 2 digits and 120 is 3 digits. So this is how we do the first step, that is comparing the number of digits of each number. Another example, we have two numbers here as you can see, 52,399 and 1,22,391. We are going to compare this number. According to our first step, we have to find the number of digits of each number. So here in the first number we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. And in the second number we have 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So when you compare 5 digit and 6 digit number, which will be greater? Yes, 6 digit number will be greater. Therefore, 52,399 is less than 1,22,391 or 1,22,391 is greater than 52,399. Now if you are getting another question such as both the numbers are having the same number of digits, what you will do? So let's look into the next step. So if in a question you are getting two numbers which has the same number of digits, the next step you have to do is comparing the digits from the highest place. For example, I am taking two numbers 5,22,391 and 2,22,572. As you can see, both the numbers here are having 6 digits each. So we are going to check the second step. Second step is nothing but comparing the digits of these numbers from the left hand side. Okay. So from starting from left hand side, which is the first number here? Here in this number 5 is the first digit and here in this number 2 is the first digit. So first you compare 5 and 2. In 5 and 2, which is the greatest number? You know that 5 is the greatest number. So this number, that is 5,22,391 will be greater than 2,22,572. Now let's take another example. I have taken here 44,32,529 and 44,34,728. As you can see, both the numbers are 7 digits numbers. So let's start comparing each digits of this number. Starting from the left hand side, first number we have 4 and here also we have 4. Okay, again comparing the next digit, again we have 4 in this number, here also we have 4 which is equal. Okay, then next number is 3, comparing 3, again we have 3 here which is equal. Next we have 2 and here we have 4. So here we have different digits which is greater. Comparing 2 and 4, 4 is greater, right? So which number will be greater? From this you can see that 44,34,728 is greater than the 44,32,529. So like this we can compare each digits of a given number and find the largest and smallest number from the question. Now let's see one more example. I have taken two numbers here. As you can see, these two numbers are 5 digit numbers. So equal number of digits. So now let's compare according to the second step. Now let's compare each digit. Starting from the left hand side. Here we have 3. So when you compare 3, here also we have 3. Both are equal. Next number is 9. Here we have 9. Here also we have 9. Both are equal. Again, next is 2. Here also we have 2. Both the numbers are equal. Next, 4. We have 4 here, equal. Next we have 3 and here we have 3. This is also equal. So what can you understand from this? You can understand that both these given numbers are equal. So I hope you understood how to compare the numbers using the two steps. Our next topic is ordering of numbers. Ordering of numbers means arranging the numbers from smallest to highest or from highest to smallest. That means arranging the numbers in ascending and descending order. You all have learned in your lower classes the meaning of ascending and descending. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order, arranging the numbers from smallest to highest, and descending order means arranging the number from highest to smallest. Let's see an example. The first question is arrange in ascending order. So what do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means smallest to highest. Okay, smallest to highest. Ascending order means smallest to highest, and we have different numbers here. Now let's see how to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So for that, first you have to write all these numbers in the place value chart. Like this, I have arranged all the numbers in the place value chart, as you can see. So the question was to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order means what? From the smallest number to the highest number. So first we have to find the smallest number among these numbers. So how we will find the smallest number? From the topic of comparing of numbers, we learned that first we have to check the number of digits. The number which has least number of digits is the smallest number. From here, first let's find the number of digits of each number. So first number we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 5-digit number. What about the second number? This is a 6-digit number. Now third one, again it is a 5-digit number. And the last one, it is 7-digit number. So here we have two numbers which is having the same number of digits. That is first and the third number has the same number of digits. That is 5-digit number. Now we'll move to the second step, that is comparing the digits of both the numbers. So let's start from the left hand side or from the greatest place, that is 10,000 place. First number here we have 3 and the second number here we have 5. So comparing 5 and 3, which is smallest? 3 is smallest, right? So this number 39,245 is the smallest number among the given numbers. So let's mark it as 1. And we have 53,727 in the second place when we arrange in ascending order. So let's mark it as second. Next we have a 6-digit number and a 7-digit number. Which is the smallest? You know that 6-digit number is the smallest. So 4,27,222 will be in the third place, and 7-digit number is the largest among the given numbers. So 63,32,323 will be in the fourth place, or is the highest number. So we can arrange the given numbers in ascending order like this. That is 39,245 less than 53,727 less than 4,27,222, which is less than 63,32,323. This is the way we can arrange the given numbers in ascending order. That is from smallest to highest. So same numbers can also be arranged in descending, that is from the greatest to smallest number, like this, that is 63 lakhs 32,323 greater than 4 lakh 27,222 greater than 53,727 which is greater than 39,245. So I hope you understood how to arrange large numbers in ascending and descending order. Now let's discuss about next type of question. The question is, write the largest and smallest number using all the given digits. So we have two questions here. First we have digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. With these digits we have to form the largest and smallest number. To find largest number, what you have to do is that you have to arrange this given number in the descending order, that is from the highest to smallest. That is here in this given digit, which is the highest number, 9 is the highest number. So 9 will come as the first digit. Now 7 is the second digit, 5 is the third, 3 and 1. So when you arrange the given digit in the descending order, you will get the largest number. So how you will get the smallest number? You have to just arrange the given digits in the ascending order, that is from the smallest to highest. So it will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Easy, right? Here we have another set of digits 0, 9, 5, 6, 2. So in order to find the largest number, you have to arrange this given digits in the descending order from the highest to smallest. That is, it will be 9, 6, 5, 2 and 0. Okay. Now we have to find the smallest number using the given digits. How you will find the smallest number? You have to arrange these given digits in the ascending order, that is from the smallest to highest. So in the smallest digit is 0, but we know that no number will start with 0. So which is the next digit? The next digit is 2. So let's start this number with 2 and the second digit will be 0. Now which will be the third digit? It is 5, then 6 and then 9. So this is the smallest number which can be formed using this given digit. Hope you understood how to find the smallest and largest numbers using the digits. So I hope you understood today's class. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.